How to fast travel in Dying Light 1. Welcome to this tutorial. This is very easy. So you're in the main building, of course. Here's the quartermaster. And the first thing you want to do, of course, you can see this little icon. Look at the icon on the top right for a door. So that's the elevator. But you want to fast travel to the old town. Let's go. So you want to come over here. Come over to the shop. Where's this exit? Now there we go. We can go to the stadium. Hold X or square on PlayStation. And of course, the little door symbol again. There's right there's a poster. There's the shop. Right beside him, of course, you have to have Old Town unlocked. So let's fast travel real quick. And we'll show you how to get back just as quickly. And there we go. We are in Old Town. Now, here's the thing. If you want to go back, turn on your torch. There's the shop as well. See the top right little icon? There it is right there. There's the poster. To Slums. So we can fast travel back to Slums, which we'll do right now. And we are back in the Slums. Now again, you have to be in the main building, of course, to do fast travel. Now these icons are around, of course, get inside. There's one door icon. There's one, get inside, get inside. But again, the door icon over here is to go to, now, Old Town. But again, there's the main building in Old Town. You have to be kind of right there where the dot is, where the shop is. So if you're in Old Town running around, if you want to fast travel, you got to make it back there first. Now to see a fast travel in Dying Light 1. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.